In today's video, I'm going to show you how to map a custom domain in Zoho Desk. Mapping a domain helps you brand your customer support portal so your users see a professional, familiar web address when they reach out for help. To get started, make sure you're logged into Zoho Desk with administrator access. This is important because only admins can change domain and branding settings. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the dashboard and click the setup icon. Inside setup, look for the organization section and select rebranding. This is where Zoho Desk allows you to customize how your help center looks and feels. Within the rebranding options, find and click on domain mapping. Now you'll see the option to map a domain. Click on Map Domain to begin. Enter the custom domain you want to use for your support portal, something like support@yourcompany.com. Then continue to the next step. At this stage, Zoho Desk will ask you to update DNS settings with your domain provider. This usually involves adding a CNAME record that points your custom domain to Zoho Desk. You can do this through your domain host's control panel or ask your IT team to help if needed. Once the DNS changes are saved and verified, your custom domain will be successfully connected to Zoho Desk. Your help center will now load using your branded domain, giving customers a seamless and professional support experience. And that's it. You've successfully mapped a domain in Zoho Desk. Thanks for watching and feel free to check out more Zoho Desk guides to keep optimizing your support setup.